Welcome to today's at-home workout, day 7. Let's build some strength today. Go, if you haven't got them prepared, get a couple bags and fill them up with whatever you can. Bags of carrots, potatoes, books, anything you can add a little bit of weight to. Plastic bags, canvas bags, whatever you got. Go grab them now, fill them up, and let's use these to do a few exercises. Go now. Okay, good, you're back. Simple farmer's carry. We're just building some strength today. This is all about functional fitness. So, walk. Just walk. So the idea, I can't think of anything that's more important than being able to go and do your shopping, get your food, get your groceries, and be able to carry them home with ease. So why aren't we practicing that? So put as much weight as you feel comfortable with. We're gonna do different things, but we're gonna carry our bags with us for this entire 10 minutes. So that when we do go get our groceries, just keep walking. And if it's not that heavy, put your arms to a 90 degrees angle. So we're building strength in the arms. And consciously walk. Just notice each step. It's just saying about, from a great book, always do your best. And I think we think of that in the big things. What about in the smallest of things? Like being so present, I notice each step I take. Each breath I take. When you go real slowly, keep the arms up. You bring presence, maybe you get a sense of gratitude too, just about, wow, walking is pretty special. It's pretty amazing actually. Okay, so my arms are starting to burn. I hope yours are also. If the bags are too heavy, take some stuff out. If they're not heavy enough, add on. Okay, relax that for a moment. So arms down, let the arms rest a bit. And we've been doing this quite a bit, so this should be used to this. Just come up on the tippy toes. So just adding a little bit of weight to it, so increase our calf muscle strength as well as our balance. We just want to be able to have readiness for the day. That's all this is about. Can I get through my day with a little bit more ease, being a little stronger, a little lighter, do it a little faster if I want. Okay, now, widen your stance, excuse me. Can you bring your bags up? Slowly, in control. We do not need a lot of weight here. So we want to increase our mobility and flexibility. A couple kilos in each bag. 1 kilo is fine. This is going to increase your strength. Let's just do it with real purpose, intentional movements. Can I hold it for a moment? And come down. Modify as you need to. If this is all you got, then that's fine. Let's do 2 more. Hold it. Last one. Hold there for a moment. Bring presence. See if we can't get the arms shaking a little bit. And down. If you need to set your bags down, by all means, set your bags down. If you can hold on to them, terrific. We're walking home from a grocery store. So, shoulders, back. And if you don't have any bags, you can perfectly do this without them, it's fine. We're just adding a little bit of resistance, a little bit of weight. They're somewhat of a metaphor, but in that this is functional fitness. Figure if we want to be good at carrying our groceries, why not practice actually carrying our groceries? Let's go forward with our shoulders. Oh yeah. Okay. Legs are wide out. My bags are up. I'm going to come into a bit of a squat. Do your best. We're not going too deep here. Keep them up. You're going to thank me when you're carrying your groceries up a flight of stairs with so much more ease after this. Yeah. That's why I was doing that workout. And as we talked about yesterday, we want to live long, happy lives. Like this idea of freedom. What's more freeing than being able to do the things that you want to do with ease and strength and happiness? Ooh, feel it? This is a good one. Couple more. Let's hold that last one there. Keep your bag just above the ground and just hold it for a moment. Hold it. Come on. Ooh, all right. Let's walk. Actually, I'm going to walk laterally. Keep them up. If your shoulders, arms are getting too tired, set your bags down. That's okay. We can always stop and have a break. But keep moving with me, with or without the bags. Just real intentional lateral movements. Let's always do our best in everything we do, every conversation we have with somebody. Every time we brush our teeth, every time we make a meal. Real intentionality. Let's get the most out of every moment of our day. I suspect I got about 2 or 3 kilos in each bag. And my shoulders are on fire. So if yours are too, let's suffer together. Own the suffering, right? Don't let it own us. I choose this. I choose a bit of discomfort, which will give me more comfort as we go about our day. Okay, roll the shoulders a bit, shake it out. I'm gonna try to bring them up just a bit because I wanna run. I gotta catch that bus. I gotta get home to cook the meal. Let's get the heart rate up. Maybe this just encourages us, if we do drive to the store, to park as far away as possible. There's another just adding on a few minutes of movement, of exercise to our day, that carrying those groceries, that little extra distance. It all adds up. Absolutely. Keep increasing the number of minutes that you're physically active every week. And it's going to increase the quality of your life. This is going to be it for today. So stay with me. It's kind of hard to run like this without using your arms, but got to do it sometimes. Sometimes you just got to get home fast. We can pick up the pace if you like. Quiet feet. Ooh, All right, slow it down. I think we can set our bags down. Have your bags available. I really enjoyed that. I hope you did. I think it really hits home about functional fitness and why we're doing this. So we can do different exercises with our bags to increase our strength, mobility, flexibility, but quality of our life, happiness. All right, you should be feeling it today. Let's bring awareness into that. Just stop for a moment and just feel, absorb everything that you've just done. Feel every sensation in your body. And just be here. And just catch your mind when it wanders. Oop, my mind has wandered on to the next thing. Nope. I'm bringing all my attention into the sensations of my body. Notice any tingling, beating of your heart. Maybe you crack a smile. That's it for today. The endorphins just kicked in right now. Sometimes they take a little longer when you're working harder. I don't know. Go be proactive. Proactive? Yeah, be proactive. Be productive. Be positive. And bring as much joy into each single thing you do today as possible. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. God bless. Goodbye.